Welcome back to Money with Sofia, where we turn AI into income and build simple online businesses. Most people want to start an online business, but there's one big problem. They think it's too complicated, too expensive, or that they need years of experience before they can even begin. But in 2026, that's no longer true. AI tools are making it easier than ever for beginners to start online businesses from home. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest online business models to start with AI. No complicated setup, no huge audience, and no need to show your face. Let's get into it. One of the easiest online businesses right now is selling digital products. Digital products are things you create once and sell online multiple times. Examples include ebooks, templates, planners, guides, and AI prompt packs. This business model is beginner-friendly because you don't need inventory, shipping, or expensive equipment. And thanks to AI, creating products is now much faster than before. The first step is choosing a simple niche. This could be productivity, fitness, budgeting, online business, self-improvement, or social media. The best niches are usually topics people already spend money on. The second step is using AI to generate ideas. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm product ideas, create outlines, and organize information quickly. Instead of spending weeks creating something from scratch, AI can speed up the process dramatically. The third step is creating the product. You don't need advanced design skills. Tools like Canva make it easy to create clean digital products like planners, templates, and guides. Many beginners are building simple digital product businesses with just a few tools. The fourth step is selling the product online. Many creators use platforms like Stan Store to sell products directly to their audience. Others use marketplaces or social media to drive traffic. The goal is to keep things simple in the beginning. The fifth step is creating content around your product. This is where AI becomes even more powerful. You can use AI to create social media posts, short videos, captions, and even faceless YouTube content. Many people are growing online businesses by consistently posting simple AI-assisted content. And the best part is that your content can continue bringing traffic long after you post it. Here's the truth. Most successful online businesses are actually very simple. The people who succeed are usually the ones who stay consistent and focus on one thing long enough. You don't need the perfect product. You don't need expensive tools. And you definitely don't need to know everything before you start. You just need one simple idea and the willingness to take action. AI tools are removing many of the barriers that used to stop beginners. Now it's easier than ever to build something online. If you want more simple ways to make money with AI, make sure to subscribe. And check the link below for tools and resources to get started.